For BigCommerce app can be found on the BigCommerce app marketplace. You can find it just by typing Visual Merchandiser, and it will come up here, Visual Merchandiser for BigCommerce. It's a one-click install, so we can get this app and we can add that to an existing store that we have. And this app is also a multi-user app, so it's an app that can be assigned to multiple admins within BigCommerce, so a lot of people can use it, not just the installer. So once the app is installed, it will appear in the app section, and when it installs, it will load in all the products in the current product catalog in BigCommerce for this store. So what we'll get is a list of those products, and there's two types of sorting. There's global sorting, which sorts the products site-wide, and there's a category sort where we can sort the products on a per category level. This app uses the new product sort API from BigCommerce, so all of this information is being written back to the platform, so as the page loads, all loads from the platform and gets very good performance as a result. So the user can drag and drop their products, and as they drag and drop, the products will get a different sort order value. So the sort order value here in this column is what writes back to the BigCommerce platform, and in the global sense, we actually see the sort order field in the product catalog, and in the category sense, we don't see that field. It's just written back to the API. But from the user's point of view, it's really as easy as just dragging and dropping these products. They can also choose to promote a product to the top or bury it to the end. And when they do that, it will resequence all the sort orders for the whole catalog at that point. So if the user chooses to save, the sort order for this product will be written back to the catalog. So if we were to go back and look at the Terranium, we should see a sort order value of 1. So back here in BigCommerce product catalog, if we go to the storefront details, the sort order is now 1, and that's what will define the global sort order through this BigCommerce site. If we go back to the app, there's a number of different ways the user can view the product. So they can view it in a list view like this, or they can choose to look at a different number of columns. And so this enables them to match the number of columns on their website so that they can see how the products will look row by row. So this gives them that control so that they can see what their website will likely look like. And they can save that from this view, and they can go back to this view, and they can reorder however they want. They can also just cancel out of that, so it defaults back to the how it's in the product catalog. And then the second way that they can view the admin is to do a category sort. So in here, they can see all the categories that they've got in BigCommerce. They can also see subcategories, and they can see how many products they've got in each category, and they can choose to any of the categories and sort by category. So if we look at shop all, and if we look at changing that order, we're changing it specifically for the shop all category and no other categories. So when we hit save, and if we go to, let's put the beige stripe towel at the top, because that's different from the global sort order. And then if we go to the store, and if we go to shop all, then we see the striped towel at the front, followed by the Terranium large. That is a sort order that is specific to this category. So if we change the sort order, and if we hit save, we'll see that change on the front end. So again, we can order as a grid view as well, and we can change that so it reflects what we see on the front end, so 4 columns in this case. So if we refresh, we can see the new order has come through to the site. So it gives the user really accurate and instant control over how their products will display on the front end. So if we do this, there can sometimes be a caching delay, but in this case it's loaded first time, which is great. And so if we come back to the all categories, we've now got shop all configured to use the category sort order, because we just defined a category sort order. And that sort order, as we saw, starts with the coffee maker and then the terraniums. Now, if we go back to the global sort order, our global sort order actually starts with the terranium and then the brewing system and then the terranium and then the coffee maker. So if I'm a store owner merchandising my store, I might choose, actually I want to now apply the global sort order to this category, or perhaps to this category I can choose to define that sort order. So I'm prompted to confirm that I actually want to do that, and I can confirm. So if I do that to the shop all category, then I will overwrite the category sort order that I just saved with the global sort order. So now I'm getting a sort order that reflects my global sort order, and I might do that because I want to define a global sort order throughout the site and then just make a few tweaks per category. So that's something that I can do at a category level. And when I do that, again, it's defaulted that back to the category sort order as being the way that this sort order is defined. But at any point, I can redefine that to use global sort order, and that will then use the global sort order values. So if I was to change the global sort order, then that will update the category that I've just defined. So that is how the app works. We have just one product plan. We have a free trial for 14 days, and then we have a plan which can be paid monthly or annually, annually at a discount to monthly. And at the moment, we've got it discounted $10 a month whilst we get new users on board. We have some existing users that are paying the original rate on this app as well. But for the time being, we're charging $39 a month. Yeah, so if there's any questions, please let me know. My email address is nigel@matterdesign.com.au, and be happy to get your feedback and hear what you've got to say. Thanks.